How old are you?
Yeah, I am. I want you to guess how old am I?
I think you're 20 up.
Yeah, give me the specific range.
Specific. Okay. I think you're 26 or 26.
Yeah. But no. I'm 28.
Oh, 28, but it's closer.
Who's the guy at the back? Who's that?
It is my cousin.
Oh, I thought your boyfriend. Not
No,
your
we don't
boyfriend.
have boyfriend.
All right. Good answer. Very good. Very good answer.
What?
Very good answer.
Cancer?
No, very good answer.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You need to mute the background because sometimes it's.
Oh, wait. Sorry. It's noisy?
Yeah. Mute it for 2 minutes.
Isaba sa kuno daw.
All right.
It's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's just I cannot hear you clearly.
Why do you want to mute me?
No, I don't want to mute you. I want to talk to you.
But you said earlier that you want to.
No, what I mean is the video that the background music. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm so sorry because my sister is playing a video.
Oh, I see. Do you want to play the game, the PK battle?
No, background dayo. Mo gani mute nako. No, I don't play any game. I only can use TikTok, social media.
My brother here, Godfather, would like to say hi to you. Godfather, I already say hi.
Where? Let me see.
Brother.
Where?
Hey, hold on. What is your real name?
My name is Christina Villasentia.
Oh, Christina. Which part are you in the Philippines, Christina?
Philippines, and Cebu.
Kita kinaraman ko sa Bohol.
Yeah, bahala ka dira. Oy, bahala ka. Bahala ka dira. Bahala ka.
Ano man?
English po ko ganina ro. Din maliman kay. Bahala ka dira. Oy.
Saan nagtago na?
Ay, bahala. Naulaw ko.
Sige na, pakita na. Ay, nakaulaw.
Bahala ka dira. Oy.
Gagama ba akong content ron? Na-appeal ka?
Lain na ni mo oy. Lain kay kayo.
No. Anad kay ka mo English ba?
Dili, oy. Dili, naulaw dyan ko, promise.
Na famous. Na content.
Ayan.
Na content sa English. Yes.
Lain na ni may gani ya kay wala na akong isa akong tinawad nga name.
Hey.
Okay.